How much do I need to start investing in gold as a first-time investor? Many beginners ask, how much do I need to start investing in gold as a first-time investor? The good news is that you do not need a lot of money to begin. You can start investing in gold with as little as $150. Gold is one of the most trusted investments because it keeps its value over time and can protect your money during economic changes. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. If you are new to gold investing, here are some simple tips to help you start. 1. Start with a small budget. There is no fixed amount you must spend on gold. Many experts suggest putting around 1% to 5% of your savings into gold at first. Some experienced investors may invest more, but beginners should start small and grow slowly. The answer to how much do I need to start investing in gold as a first-time investor depends on your budget and financial goals. The most important thing is to begin with an amount you can comfortably afford. 2. Buy small gold coins or bars. Small gold coins and bars are perfect for first-time investors. They are more affordable and easier to sell later if needed. For example, you can buy small gold coins or 1-gram gold bars for under $150. Small pieces of gold are also easier to store safely at home compared to large gold bars. Many beginners choose gold coins because they are simple to collect and sell when the price of gold increases. 3. Think about long-term investment. Gold works best as a long-term investment. Experts often recommend keeping gold for at least 5 to 20 years to get better returns. Because of this, only invest money that you do not need right away. This helps you avoid selling your gold too early. Over time, gold prices may rise and increase the value of your investment. 4. Build a habit of investing. You do not need to buy a lot of gold at once. Many successful investors buy small amounts regularly. This creates a good saving and investing habit over time. Starting small is better than waiting for the perfect time to invest. So, how much do I need to start investing in gold as a first-time investor? You can begin with only $150 or even less by buying small gold bars or coins. Gold is a safe and stable investment that can help protect your wealth for the future. The key is to start early, invest wisely, and stay consistent. Even small gold investments today can grow into valuable assets in the future. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.